Turks garage. I have some rain guards here which go along the pillar of the door. Now, I wanted to make this video because I've done this before, but I could not find any other videos online that showed someone installing these. And these are the vent visor or rain guards from a 1996 to 2000 Honda Civic coupe. And just know that these are the ones to order for your 2000 to 2006 Honda Insight. These are going to be going on a car that they were not designed for, because the car that they're going on, there are no visors specifically made for that car. So I'm going to have to do some cutting and trimming of these to make them fit, and I'll show you some more in a moment. Now, unfortunately for me, I've already installed these previously and removed them because I reinstalled the passenger mirror. When I line it up here, when it's where it should be everywhere else, the end here doesn't quite line up with where the mirror goes, so I'm going to have to trim that. And I'm also going to have to reapply this 3M adhesive, so that's going to be fun. Stay tuned. I had to remove the old 3M adhesive because I got a whole new roll, and I used heat, goof off, and my trusty Harbor Freight scraper, and I have to remove the rest of the old adhesive off the door side. When this is all lined up, there's still an excess bit here which doesn't line up because of the mirror here. So I'm gonna have to trim around the mirror here to get it to fit properly. So see how that goes. Make sure that this closes up here and lines up there. So I'm going to remove the rest of the backing of this 3M tape and mount this to the door. The installation is complete. The visor's not going anywhere. It's got double-sided 3M tape on there. The installation is the same from passenger and driver side. The double-sided tape removal is not applicable if you purchase these visors new. The installation is pretty quick and simple, to me around 20 minutes with the trimming. So here's the trim that I made, just to get an idea. You're trying this yourself. Not perfect, but it got the job done for sure. Maybe one day they'll manufacture visors for the first generation Insight, but until then, this is my best solution. Keep watching and stay tuned for more Honda and Turk Garage content.